Imagine this. Your phone unlocks with just your face. You type a few words, and boom, AI draws your imagination. Or you talk to a chatbot that sounds smarter than your teacher. That's not magic, that's artificial intelligence. In this video, we'll decode what is AI, the three main types of AI, where AI is used in daily life, how AI actually works, and whether we should worry about it. Before we dive in, show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to Neuropix AI. Let's decode the future visually. So, what exactly is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is defined as the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and learn like humans. In simple terms, it means creating machines that can understand information, learn from experience, make decisions, solve problems, all without direct human instructions. But unlike humans, AI doesn't learn from emotions or instincts. It learns from massive amounts of data and detects patterns faster than we can imagine. The more data it sees, the smarter it becomes. That's why AI now powers our phones, cars, hospitals, and even your social media feed. Let's break it down visually. There are three main types of artificial intelligence, each one more advanced than the last. First, we have narrow AI. This is the AI you use every day and maybe didn't even realize. It's built to do one specific task really well, like Siri understanding your voice, Google Maps predicting traffic, Netflix recommending what to watch next. But that's all it can do. Ask it to do something outside its job, and it's completely lost. Then there's general AI, a machine that can think, reason, and learn like a human. It could learn any task, adapt to change, and solve new problems across fields. Sounds powerful, right? But here's the truth. General AI doesn't exist yet. We're getting close with tools like ChatGPT and Gemini, but they're still narrow underneath. And finally, super AI. This is the future in intelligence that could outthink, outlearn, and outcreate humans. It could solve world problems or create new ones. It's smarter, faster, maybe even self-aware. Sounds like science fiction? That's because it still is. You've already used AI today, even if you didn't know it. From the moment you wake up, AI is already working for you. Your phone unlocking with Face ID, Google Maps suggesting the fastest route, YouTube recommending the perfect video, Spotify picking your next favorite song, chatbots helping you shop online. But AI isn't just in your pocket. It's in hospitals, detecting diseases. It's in cars, powering self-driving technology. It's in banks, stopping fraud before it happens. It's even in your camera, helping you take better photos. The truth is, AI is everywhere, quietly working behind the scenes, learning, adapting, and improving life in real time. So how does AI actually work? It doesn't think like us, but it learns in its own way. AI learns by studying huge amounts of data, just like you learn by seeing examples. AI does too. Show it 10,000 cat photos, and it will figure out what a cat looks like. Then it can spot a cat, even in a photo it's never seen before. It uses special programs called algorithms, and sometimes even neural networks, digital structures inspired by the human brain. AI finds patterns like voice tones, clicks, or traffic speed, and it learns to predict what might happen next. The more data it sees, the smarter it becomes. AI is powerful. It's helping us solve problems faster than ever before. But with great power comes serious questions. What happens if AI takes over jobs? Can we trust it to make fair decisions? Could it be misused by the wrong hands? These aren't science fiction anymore. They're questions we need to face together. That's why it's so important to understand how AI works, not just to use it, but to use it wisely. When we learn about AI, we take the power back, and that's where the journey truly begins. Subscribe to Neuropix AI, and let's unlock the future of intelligence, one pixel at a time.